Namaskaram. So another Zen My Den tip for all of you is a new way to see the world and to see your home is by putting on your magic glasses. So putting your index fingers and your thumbs together, bringing your fingers and twisting to put them under your chin, and bringing your new glasses up on your face. That way you can see the world newly. And one of the ways you can also bring a new layer of dimension into life is typical holes that you might have in the wall. One of the ways that I bring nature in is I have nature actually sticking out and being a part of my room and my home living space, and sacred symbols as well. And as you can see, if you look up a little bit here, there is also ferns that hang down from the windows. So anytime you need assistance or you are triggered, just look from a new set of lenses and remember that life is really simple. Blessings and happy Zening.